welcome back to my channel. It's Cerise here, and for today's video I just unboxed the Trading Mekka goodies that Trading Mekka sent to me, and this lipstick was one of them. This is shade Leaf, and I put it on. I'll link that video down below, and I was like, this is amazing. I need to actually swatch the other one on because I think it's so beautiful. So I got two shades here, and they retail for $18 US. They're cruelty free and vegan, and this is the packaging that they come in, which I think is so cute. I'm a sucker for orange and white packaging. I just think it's so pretty. But I'll unbox the one I'm wearing now. I didn't want to take it off, and I don't know if I can because they are very long-lasting matte liquid lipsticks. So yeah, I really loved this color, and when I put it on I was just like, yes. It has a nice frosted component and a lid on top. It does kind of feel a bit cheap sort of thing, but the color inside is really good, and it smells like a nice kind of candied thing. So I'm just going to swatch it on my hand so you guys can see how pretty that color is. So that is shade Leaf, and that's the color that I'm wearing now, and I am obsessed with it. I think it's beautiful. I put it on, I just couldn't stop looking in the mirror. I was like, I need to do a video right now. I'm still like, I've literally just filmed the Trading Mekka video. I'm like, this is amazing. I love it. And this is it close up. And yeah, it's not feeling super drying or anything. It's not really transferable. It's just really pretty and really nice. Alrighty, so now I'm going to try and remove it from my mouth. I did have a swatch of it on my arm when I did my video, and I couldn't really get it off. It's still kind of on there, so I'm kind of afraid that it won't come off my mouth. So I've just kind of wet my mouth with micellar water with this cotton pad, and I'll see how hard it is to get it off. So it's not coming off like super hard. Like, it's taking it as going to get off. It's wanting to take my foundation off so bad. It's like kind of made a moustache on my mouth. Ooh. Alright, so that one is all off now. So now we're going to go in for the next shade, which is shade Windy, which is my nickname for my friend's dog. So I'm like, that's really cute. So it is a kind of Wisteria Land purple, and it's just really cute. So I'm going to swatch this one. So I really like the purple color as well. Does seem a bit streaky with me putting that on, but that is the color there. So let's swatch her. So this one here is a really pretty color, but I felt like with the application of it just then, it was kind of like a double coater. Like, it's not a lipstick that, like, I think because it's got darker pigments in it, it's kind of a harder one to kind of move around sort of thing, if you get what I mean. So like, it still went on nicely, but as you've seen, it took like a little bit longer than Leaf. When I did originally put Leaf on, even though I didn't do it on camera, so it's not a good example, when I originally put Leaf on, it was just kind of like one swipe and it was on, but this, I kind of had to move the product around. But it's still a really pretty product too, but I prefer Leaf a little bit more. So this is a close-up of it here. Excuse this shitty like application there. If you take that bit away, they look real pretty. And it's a really pretty color, but see how it has streaked a little bit in here, just a little bit. But apart from that, it is a real pretty color. Is it worth $18? Maybe the darker shades are a little bit of a miss, but this Leaf shade here, I adored that one. I thought that was so super pretty, and the way it went on, it was so pigmented, it looked really nice. As you guys seen in the close-up before, it looked really good too, so I definitely would repurchase Leaf. I really like that. Maybe the Windy one not so much, just because the formula wise it was a bit streaky, but the Leaf one I really did like. So a few like negatives and a few positives, but yeah, I mean 1 out of 2 ain't bad, so that's over half. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe wherever the subscribe box is. And did you prefer Windy or Leaf? Are we purple or are we pink? What are we thinking? Anyway, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!